Are you hungry?
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. Today we're making some Korean-inspired cauliflower. Great by itself, or as together with meat or something like that. But we're making it just the cauliflower. But before we have a look at the ingredients, please do me the favor, click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. You can also check the little bell icon to get notifications when new episodes come online. But let's dive in and have a look at what we have on the board. So we have the star of the show, our cauliflower. All I've done so far is to kind of take off the leaves, but we will cut it into smaller pieces. We have some Guchujang, basically Korean chili paste. We have some light soya sauce. We have some sesame oil. We have a lemon, and we have some sugar. That's all you need for this. But first, let's get started with the cauliflower because that takes the longest. Now you could do this, you could steam the cauliflower whole if you want, but I'm gonna kind of take off the smaller flowers. Just take a small knife and cut them off, and then you can break them and just put them in like that. So we have our nice bigger heads here. And then we have kind of the rest that we will make into cauliflower puree. And now these go into the steamer. Now while the cauliflower is steaming, we can get going on the sauce. Like half a tablespoon of gochujang. Nice and sticky. I will take about a tablespoon of water as well. Like that. Tablespoon of light soy sauce. And a pinch of sugar. Now we'll start with mixing up this. Now let's get some lemon juice in there as well. About half a lemon. And last but not least, tablespoon of sesame oil. So let's give this a try to see if we have enough sweetness and enough sourness. A little bit more sugar. And a little bit more lemon juice. Give her another try. Perfect. Now we'll just have to wait for the cauliflower. Our cauliflower is steamed. I will take the bigger pieces, move them over to the frying pan. It's a bit warm. I can maybe even just dip them in this. Yeah, it goes faster. A bit messier, but it goes faster. So that's the last one. I'll put them to the side. We'll make the cauliflower puree. And then we'll gratinate them. Well, not really gratinate them, but we'll put them into the Roccbox at really high heat. They're already cooked, so that just kind of needs to caramelize a bit. So we put the small pieces of the cauliflower. Put some butter in here as well. Now we'll get our mixer out. Get that out of the way. And for this dish, we want it quite fine, so we'll pass it through a sieve. Just go back and forwards like this. Scrape off the rest. And our puree is ready as well. So now let's go outside to the Roccbox. Our Roccbox is nice and hot. We'll put them in. It's not going to take very long. So this is pretty much what we're looking for, a little bit of nice charring on them, and it's ready to go. So we're ready to serve this up. Take a little bit of our cauliflower puree. This is now very neutral. I haven't salted this at all because the other cauliflowers are spicy and salty enough. Now I'll take our other cauliflower, just place it here. Like so. And over the top a little bit of roasted sesame seeds. And a little bit of spring onion. Not everything in one place. I'm being difficult today. Like that. There we are. We're good to give it a try. Let's see. That is very nice. You have the spice, the heat from the gochujang, the sweetness, the sourness, the lemon juice, the sugar, a little bit of sesame. And what's nice is that we kept this puree neutral, so it kind of balances out the heat. Very simple way to use cauliflower. If you love Korean food, if you like cauliflower, there's no better combination. But that's it for this episode. If you stuck with me this far, there must have been something you liked about it. So please do me the favor and click the thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, also subscribe to the channel. But that's it for this time. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.